Celebrating Canada Day. Dive into Canadian pride. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Canadian celebrations. And what could be more Canadian than Canada Day? It's a day of pride, unity, and joy for Canadians. Let's explore this special day together. Canada Day, celebrated on July 1st every year, is the National Day of Canada. It marks the anniversary of the Confederation of Canada, when the British North America Act, now called the Constitution Act, came into force in 1867. This act united 3 colonies into a single country called Canada. So, in essence, it's Canada's birthday. Canada Day is a public holiday, which means most Canadians have the day off work and school. Across the country, there are various festivities. Here's what you might witness. 1. Fireworks. Cities and towns light up the night sky. The biggest displays are usually in the capital city, Ottawa. 2. Parades. Floats, musicians, and dancers take to the streets. 3. Concerts. Many Canadian artists and bands perform live. 4. Citizenship ceremonies. This is a special day for many as they officially become Canadian citizens. 5. Wearing red and white. The Canadian flag is red and white, so many Canadians dress in these colors to show their pride. While Canada Day is a national holiday, it's celebrated differently across the country. East Coast, known for its seafood, you might find big lobster feasts. Quebec. Interestingly, Quebec has its own holiday called Saint Jean-Baptiste Day on June 24th. However, many still celebrate Canada Day with joy. West Coast. Being closer to the ocean, beach parties and boat parades are common. North. In the territories, where it's daylight for most of the summer, outdoor games and barbecues last well into the night. 1. The largest fireworks display in Canada happens in Ottawa, the capital city. 2. Canada Day was originally called Dominion Day until 1982. 3. On Canada Day, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, famously known as Mounties, often perform musical rides, showcasing their equestrian skills. Canada Day is a beautiful reflection of the country's unity and pride. Whether you're in Canada or just learning about it from afar, we hope this insight into Canada Day brings you closer to understanding the heart and soul of Canadians. Remember, every nation has its story and traditions. Embrace them, celebrate them, and keep learning. Until next time, happy English learning!